Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the 7th question in exercise 4.4. Let's look at the first subdivision. If A is a matrix 2, 1, 7, 5, find determinant of A adjoint A. So first we will take out the product of A into adjoint A. So let's write out A first. So 2, 1, 7, 5. Now we need to write the matrix of adjoint of A. Remember, for adjoint of A, we swap this. So this place becomes 5, this is 2. As far as 1 and 7, we change the sign. So this is minus 1 and minus 7. Now let's multiply these two matrices. So first we are taking up this particular row with this column. So it is 2 into 5 is 10 into plus 1 into minus 7 is minus 7. Now this row with this column, so it is 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 plus 1 into 2, so it is plus 2. Now for this row and this column, so it is 7 into 5 is 35, minus 5 into 7 is 35. Now for the last one, this row into this column, so it is 7 into 1 is minus 7, plus 5 into 2 is 10. So this is what is going to be the new matrix. So let's simplify. So 10 minus 7 is 3, minus 2 and plus 2 is 0. A 0 here. This is minus 7 plus 10. So this is another 3. Now if you take out the value of 3, so this is going to be a matrix 1, 0, 0, 1, which is the identity matrix. Now they asked the value, what is determinant of A adjoint of A? So this is going to be 3 the whole squared, because this power or order is going to be square, into identity matrix as 1. So this is simply square of it, which is equal to 9. So the value for the first subdivision is 9. Now let's look at the second subdivision. If A is a 2 cross 2 matrix 3, minus 1, 4 and 5, find adjoint of adjoint A. See, if adjoint is going to be done on an adjoint A, the value is actually going to be matrix A. So in this case, it is going to be matrix A only, and they asked it only in matrix form. There is no determinant symbol here. So the value is going to be the given matrix itself, 3, minus 1, 4 and 5. In the next video, we will find the solution to the 8th question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.